Welcome to Milan and the Lombardy region. Most visitors to Milan begin at the mighty cathedral and the famous 19th century shopping gallery nearby, and that's probably what you should do. But take time to explore other neighbourhoods like Brera, Navigli and Isola, or spend some time relaxing in the city's parks and gardens. One of the most interesting things about the city is how the very traditional and the very modern sit so very well together. Not only in architecture, but in food and fashion as well, two subjects Milan takes very seriously. The surrounding region is a world of lakes and mountains, a slower pace of life that's another nice contrast to the big city vibe of Milan. Take a boat tour, watch the beautiful people in the lakefront towns of Lecco, Sorico and Como, or hit the slopes when the snow starts to fall. In fact, no matter what the season, winter, summer, or anywhere in between, Milan and the Lombardy region are perfect for anyone looking for the full Italian experience.